Hey friend, welcome to English with Nate. In this video, we're going to answer two important questions. What does the word naughty mean, and how do you pronounce the word naughty? Hey, let's jump right in and start learning English together. The word naughty is an adjective, and it means complex or difficult to solve. Let me repeat that one more time. The word naughty is an adjective, and it means complex or difficult to solve. Hey, let's check out some example sentences so we can better understand the meaning of the word. Example number 1. The naughty math problem seemed impossible to solve. The naughty math problem seemed impossible to solve. Example number 2. Some people run away from naughty challenges. Some people run away from naughty challenges. The word naughty is actually a homophone in American English. A homophone is a word that has the same pronunciation, but has different meanings or spellings. And so naughty in our video today means complex or difficult to solve, but naughty can also mean someone who's disobedient or does not like to behave. We want to practice how to pronounce the word naughty just as much as we want to know what it means. So check out the words at the bottom of the screen. It will show you how many syllables are in the word and also how to pronounce the word. So I'm going to say the word first. I want you to listen and then repeat after me. Naughty. 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 One thing I want you to be listening for, and sometimes I'm doing it in this video, I changed the T sound to a D sound. So I don't always say naughty, but I sometimes say naughty. I speed it up and I replace the T with a D sound. And that makes it sound more like American English. Hey friend, thank you for watching this video. If I helped you learn a new word, click the thumbs up button and check out these recommended videos so we can keep practicing English together. Have a great day.